A bird in a golden cage, beautiful bars. A bird in a golden cage, still caged. A bird in a golden cage, wings clipped, but the cage is pretty, ornate, comfortable, fed on the finest seeds, water crystal clear, light filtered just right. So beautiful, so comfortable, so trapped. The bird forgets what flying feels like. The golden cage is still a cage. Golden doesn't mean freedom, pretty doesn't mean free, beautiful doesn't mean it's not a trap. Bird in the golden cage, beautiful prison bird in the golden cage. Clipped wings, bird in the golden cage, so comfortable. Bird in the golden cage, you forgot to fly. Bird in the golden cage, you. A person in a golden cage, comfortable office, beautiful apartment, nice things, clipped dreams, but the cage is pretty. Looks like success, feels like progress, tastes like security. So they forget what freedom feels like. The golden cage is still a cage. And the tragedy is it looks so good that they'll never leave. Golden doesn't mean freedom, pretty doesn't mean free, beautiful doesn't mean it's not a trap. Bird in the golden cage, beautiful prison bird in the golden cage. Clipped wings, bird in the golden cage, so comfortable. Bird in the golden cage, you forgot to fly. Bird in the golden cage, you. Doesn't remember flying. The bird accepts the cage, but you knew what flying felt like. And still you chose the gold, the beauty, the comfort over